I'm Pranay Chopra, a BTech student in Electronics and Communication Engineering in Semiconductor and Design Technology at the North Cap University. Our university collaborated with IIT Mandi to give us this great opportunity to come here for immersion program every semester. This was my first time here. It was overall a great experience. I had lots of fun with friends and I also learned many great things academically from the highly knowledgeable and highly experienced faculty and my seniors. I tried to talk to many seniors and they also gave me very great advices. The main purpose of us coming here was to get a hands-on experience on the lab equipments which are rarely found elsewhere in India. It was such a great experience seeing all the lab equipments and seeing all the things which I learned in theory work in real time. I also learned so many different concepts about my specialization of semiconductor design and technology which will help me in the future. It was overall a great experience. I had lots of fun. It was very enjoyable and I learned so many new things which I will definitely implement in my future and I am looking forward to come here again.
I'm Professor Sharda Vashisht, heading Multidisciplinary Engineering Department and also leading the Semiconductor program at NCA. As we all understand, semiconductors are powering the future and India is on a mission to become the global semiconductor superpower. This creates a huge demand for the skilled working professionals in this area. As North Cap University, we have come up with the program of BTech in Semiconductor Design and Technology, which is in collaboration of one of its kind with IIT Mandi and NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation. So under this collaboration, the students can be taught not only by the NCU faculty, but they get the opportunity to be taught by the IIT Mandi faculty also. They earn the credit certification from IIT Mandi and enjoy the status of CCE IIT Mandi Fellow. It's not only the academic collaboration we are having, it's the industry aligned curriculum, which is again powered by our industry partner, that is Sahasra Semiconductors, where students get the opportunity to work in their company, to work as intern and get the right kind of exposure for all the type of tools required in this area. So not only there, in fact, IIT Mandi, they can visit and they can work in their clean rooms, advanced semiconductor design labs. 60% of the world chips are made in Taiwan. So what will happen if one could learn from the best? So to fill this gap, we have partnered with National Tsinghua University and have come up with Taiwan Education Center. So students can get opportunity to have hands-on experience, hands-on exposure in the semiconductor area in Taiwan. The North Cap University, I can say, has state-of-art labs in the semiconductor area. Right hardware infrastructure, right software infrastructure. We have industry aligned in software available, for example, Cadence, Siemens, Synopsys, Ansys, and many more. So at the end, I just want to conclude by saying that if someone wants to be part of this India's $10 billion semiconductor industry, then with right curriculum, with IIT level education, with right kind of infrastructure, with right kind of collaborations, then NCU is the place where their semiconductor journey should begin.